Hey, how you doing? I know you like tasty food and healthy food, that's why you're here. So welcome to my, well, not kitchen now, unfortunately we cannot make any videos up there, but basement's quite alright. So, what about the super healthy sweets? So, today we will do the sweets with bananas, with the chocolate bananas. So, you can get it in the shop or you can dry it by yourself. You can cut it on a small slices and can put it in the sun and dry it and make chips. What perfect for oats, or you can make it half dried, or you can make it like really dried, it's more solid. Also different types of bananas have a different kind of taste as well. Well, you can do it manually, or I prefer to use a blender, but you need a quite powerful blender. It will be quite tough job to eat. So we'll do the chocolate candy. Basically, in Asia you can get different kind of dried fruits. They just put it in a make the like a tiny paper from a rice flour and eat it like that. It's already tastes good, but yeah, after 1 week time you want to change the flavor. So we'll make the chocolate healthy candies from dried bananas. Dried, not fried. Proportions, it will be about third part of chocolate powder. It depends from your taste. So let's say if you have 100 grams of bananas, you need 30 grams of chocolate powder. But again, it's really up to your taste. Also, you can get like dark chocolate powder or brown, have a kind of different kind of taste. Also, you can add some seeds inside. You can add, let's say, whey powder, milk powder, whatever. Let's get it. That's it, it's ready. So basically you can use not only dried bananas, let's say dried dates or any other kind of berries. So I make a lot of different kind of experiments and everything works quite well. Okay. This bananas is too dry. So only we need to do just make the form of the candies. So you can make the round one, whatever. For not make it too sticky, well, let's say we can use some peanuts powder or any other kind of nuts. So I have almond, cashew, have a lot of kind of different berries. So basically we all can use it. Okay, now it's not sticky at all. Actually, if you will cook with your kids, you can have fun, you can make a different kind of funny forms. You can make from it, let's say you can make a cube. It's coconut powder. That's it, amazing. Basically you can make any size, any shape you want. It's really up to your style. I'll do something easy and quick. Oat flour. Oat flour is quite good as well. Anything for make it not that sticky. Yeah. It's just an example. I make it really simple. So with a few recipes, you can watch a few videos. You can follow mine. You can find any other one, and you can make like a huge variety of recipes you can do. Sesame seeds. We can use the black one or white one, any. So all of them will be looks really different. Same technique you can do with other berries or with, let's say, with raisins. So with fresh bananas you can make really cool smoothies, or you can do the ice cream, also you can do the candies. What are the benefits? Basically, you will not get fat, you will feel full from it for quite a long time. Well, in some vegan cafe probably you will pay $2-3 for such candy, but at home will cost you, let's say if you buy everything organic, less than 30 cents. Yep. Okay, I'll wait for my mates for the degustation, but let's try it. It's really yummy, interesting chocolate candy. Brilliant. So, you got the idea, you got the tools. So basically, you can make huge variety of different healthy candies, and your friends, your family, they will love it for sure. And this stuff is really good for your health. So later on we'll do some more cool things. Stay tuned.